Severe thunderstorms are likely across parts of New South Wales and Victoria, as well as the ACT today, as a cold front moves across the southeast states. We can see that cold front in the satellite imagery here, sweeping through Victoria and Tasmania with a band of cloud. Now, the cold front has actually already moved through Melbourne, bringing some scattered thunderstorms with it. Through the remainder of today, that front and the low pressure trough associated with it is expected to move across Tasmania, eastern Victoria and southeastern parts of New South Wales, really ramping up the shower and thunderstorm activity across these areas. As we go into the evening and overnight period tonight, this low pressure trough will move up the New South Wales coast, bringing a blustery, cool southerly change to Sydney, likely around midnight or into the early hours of tomorrow morning. This change will continue moving up the coast through Thursday, reaching those northern coastlines a little later in the morning. But as that cold front moves across the southeast today, it's going to create an environment really conducive to severe thunderstorms. We can see that reflected in today's thunderstorm forecast. Now, storms are possible across broad parts of the east today, with severe storms a risk from southeast Queensland all the way down into eastern Victoria. In those areas marked yellow on this map, we could see the heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding, the damaging wind gusts or the large hail. But there is a real focal area for our severe storms today, this red area on the map, which shows us where severe thunderstorms are likely. Now for today, that severe likely area includes the southern and southwest slopes of New South Wales, the ACT and Canberra, and much of northeastern Victoria. In those areas marked in red, we are most likely to see the severe thunderstorms through the course of this afternoon and evening, and we're most likely to see those really severe weather impacts that come with the severe storms. Those include flash flooding, water moving quickly over the roads, which could quickly lead to very dangerous driving conditions, road closures and detours. We could also see trees and tree limbs brought down by the strong winds. We could also see damage to crops, vegetation and possibly even property from that combination of strong winds, heavy rainfall and possible hail. Now, how will this situation unfold after today? Starting from Thursday morning, we are going to see the trough gradually moving offshore from the New South Wales coast. A low pressure system is likely to develop along that trough line somewhere off the New South Wales coast. It is expected that we will have strong southerly winds pushing right up the New South Wales coast through the later part of Thursday into Friday. Hazardous surf is a risk from tomorrow with gale force winds for many of our marine areas. As we go through that period though, we're also likely to see the rain really ramping up across parts of the central and northern coastlines. That's likely to continue through Friday and into Saturday. The highest rainfall totals will depend on how close that low comes to the coast, but it is expected to gradually move off as we go into Saturday and Sunday. We'll start to see those heavy rain and strongest wind impacts gradually starting to ease. So having a quick look at what the rainfall totals may look like over the next few days. For today, the highest rainfall totals will really be tied to where severe storms develop through the southeast. But as we go into that Thursday to Saturday period, we're going to see the rainfall really ramping up about those central and northern coastlines of New South Wales. Widespread moderate rainfall is expected with that low pressure trough and low pressure system. And we may even see some localised falls exceeding the 3-digit mark. The exact areas of the highest falls, as I said, will depend on how quickly that low develops and exactly where it tracks over the weekend. Communities right across these areas are advised to keep a close eye on our latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau's website, the BOM weather app and via our social media. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.